Hello friends, my name is Ara. Welcome to my show. I'm going to teach you how to play piano. Piano terms. It's a quarter note and it's every short note. It's one count. This is a bar I'm going to measure. This is a double bar. It's a D end. This is a half note. It's a long note, it's count 2. A little whole note, it's a very long note, counts 4. P is for piano, it's very soft. F is for forte, it's very loud. And 2 dot is for repeat. This is tongue signature, it's for beat. L, H is left hand, R, H is right hand. Left hand has down stem and RH. Right hand has up stem. Quarter note just like this in left hand and quarter note just like this in right hand. Whole note is having no stem and right hand and left hand same thing. We're going to make a piano crafting. Your black paper, white paper, scissor, black marker, scale, glue. Let's start. First with our white paper. After you cut the paper, take your scale and with the black marker make lines. And cut the black paper like this. Piece goes in order. 2, 3, 2, 3. Let's do it. I'm going to put the blue and now I'm going to put the black. Playing the 3 keys. The 2 keys. After you're done, the piano is going to look like this. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. That's the piano. Playing piano, be straight and level form. And this is a speaker when you're beating, you're holding the tennis ball. The finger has a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The black keys are 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Left hand playing. Left hand playing, here the lower notes. Play right hand playing. Right hand playing, here the high notes. Sing along. Left hand plays, sing along. The end of the song.